Ula wa seneta wa mbee wa kaunti ya Masaku na ingi mweenekivila wa kyama cha UDA Johnson Nduya Muthama niwathingiliila kana kyeni cha uteti wa mutongoi wa kyama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo musyoka kyatwikie kivindu itina wake kwasya kana akeethiwa mundu mutumannu iulu wa nthi kukwata Raila mbau yingi kwa ivinda ya katatu. Ainena na andiki maovo Muthama Niwaaisye kana Kalonzo ethiwa ene ivinda yumu muno kuta azimio la umoja Ukambani itina wa kwasya uu na ingi kumukwata mbau kwa ivinda ya katatu. Raila Odinga Kennedy Mulinge no kutolesya kwa uliku.
Mweenekivila wa kyama kicha kiuteti cha UDA Johnson Muthama niwaendeea kuelekelya kau wake kiuteti kula kwi Stephen Kalonzo musyoka vala yu kuweta savali ya kuthela kwa uteti wa Kalonzo yathile vinda ila ndongo ya kyama cha Wiper yawetia kana ika kwata mbau Raila Odinga kwa savali ya katatu masembani makivila cha usumbi wa nthi ya Kenya. Muthama yoyo etawithiwa windo ithina kwa Kalonzo kutangwatanio ya azimio la umoja lembetani ya Ukambani itina wa Kalonzo kwa Raila tosha kwa savali ya katatu kiateanisyo.
Let me talk about Kalonzo. And I want you to write it there. I want to read it. The position with Kalonzo is he saw before his own people and Kenyans that unless he is crazy, there's no way he can deputize Raila. He's looking for that. So if he tries to go and deputize Raila, and I want Agwambo to know this, all what I need to do is walk through Kambani with a recorded message. And I tell just people, listen to this. And I don't say anything. And that will help us do away with Kalonzo. If he does not become anything, then the message is very clear. It was good for him not to have said he cannot support Raila and be his number two, but he could have said, God help me to be Raila's number two, because now we will be saying he wanted number two, but it was not available. Let him just remain in the bus. So if he remains in that bus as passenger, he have lost everything. So that's the short description about the four characters.
Senenta uambe wa kaunti ya Masaku oingeiwete tambia magavana tatuma Ukambani kusona makoti ma Raila Odinga savali ni akia kumandha usumbi wa nthi ya Kenya kwa ivinda katano enzika yone sia kwesi ya kuosa matambia makimia kumana na ungei na wanganganywa wa mbesa ulama na atua isi ivinda ni yoja utongoi.
If you look at Kivutha Kibwana, he's looking for leverage. He's looking for something that will make him to remain relevant and being seen to be there so that he can be recognized. Mutua the same. And also, they want to back someone so that when someone is there, he can protect them from being prosecuted because of financial crimes that 90% of the government in this country, they have committed. And if you look at most of them, they are behind Raila because they say aluta continua, meaning let the process move the same. The way Uhuru has protected us, let us put Raila to continue protecting us. If you look at Ngilu, she has lost literally. She cannot be re-elected. So she's looking for somewhere where she will be in the executive and also stop the law from pursuing her on terms of misquandering of public funds.
Muthama ongiweta tiundu osenya kuona President Uhuru Kenyatta nalotanga siti kukwata mbau Raila Odinga masemba ni makivila cha usumbi wa nthi ya Kenya haivetanga kwake savali ni oloko selela lingilea utongoi kumavalaui. Muthama iweta Kenyatta vaikendo kwasya kumana na itambia ye.
Do you know somebody called Mheshimiwa Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta? Do you know why he is losing popularity? It's because his time is ending. When Mzee Kibaki was about to leave, who cared even Mzee Kibaki anakaa wapi? 3 months to the elections, could you really get to hear about Kibaki? No. People, they were looking at Raila, they were looking at Uhuru, they were looking at the Kalonzos, where they will be. Nobody was concerned about Kibaki. Equally, why I told you, Uhuru will throw his hands and say, Raila mimi nimeenda hii mambo imenishinda, is because he's going home and nobody is going to listen to him.
mundu nimeokonya kyama kya UDA mweenekivila uwa kyama aiweta mithungulo yitwa kwanzia ila sialite vatengwa ngusanisyo ongi ivinda kyama kya UDA nicho kinasula siasa cia nthi yonthe ya Kenya.
Nomination rules, we have three options. Three options. One is to allow Wanjiku to decide on who is the right candidate. That is our first option. If that does not apply, we go to opinion polls. If opinion polls does not apply, we go to consensus. So now, at the moment, we are open because we have not yet done the nominations. So what is coming first is negotiations. And you only know about two areas, Western, that's Kakamega, and Narok. We have moved beyond that. We have settled about 5 counties now through consensus. You know 2. Leave the 3, I'm not going to tell you about it. Let me tell you of what you know. But we have more than 5 now. And by the time we get into fielding our candidates, you will never get to see a difference in UDA. Why? Let me tell you.
Kennedy Mulinge, Mutongo TV.